You know, I was talking to Paul about this place, and I thought it was interesting when he said that, can you hear me all right?
Yeah.
What's nice about this place is it's pretty acoustically stable. But what I think is also interesting is it's very air pressure sensitive. And so let me show you what I mean by that. I have here a flask with a lid on it. Now watch what happens when I tip this up. It stops. Now there's a screen there, and you can talk about surface tension and everything like that, but the water has stopped. Now what's interesting is I said this room is also air pressure sensitive. So on 3, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to have all of you inhale. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, inhale. Very good. Wow, you guys are good. Now we need a little more participation. I saw you over there, you didn't do it, okay? So let's try a little better on 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Better. Now, there's an effect out by, I originally saw it by someone named Pat Funk, and it's a milk bottle that has a screen, and you can do this, and you can get the water out by tipping it. But I incorporated the magic effect, where here, if you keep it straight up, the water's not going to come out with the screen at surface tension. Well, how in the world, when you inhale, is the water going to come through? Huh? Yeah, there's a hole in the top, but it was not coming out before. I got a hole in the side. It's like the loadable. It's an extension of the loadable that I have my finger over it. And if I keep it directly vertical, nothing's going to happen. But once I move my finger some, that air, the pressure, the atmosphere can come in here, and it equilibrates, and it's going to come out, and then all I have to do is put my finger back on it, and I do this. And so I try to do this from a distance and have the students try to figure it out. What was interesting in developing this, I never tried it on my own, and I wanted to do this, and so I took this 2-liter flask and bought a diamond drill bit at a stained glass store. And so I was going to do this at ChemEd 95. And so I was out in July in Iowa in 100-degree weather, super humidity, just about like Illinois, right? Okay? But I had a lot of protective color around because I had no idea what was going to happen. But what I had is a burette that was dropping water here, and I just took the drill bit and went at a circular angle, and ultimately I drilled a hole in this. And so I got that right there. And so you got a device, and then all I have here is a lid that has a screen in it. And so yes, there's holes. When I hold it upside down, it's tight enough hold that surface tension is going to keep the water from going out. So little things that you can try to make your students think once again. So let's try this. Ooh.